వందే శంభుముమాపతిం సురగురుం వందే జగత్కారణం వందే పన్నగభూషణం శశిధరం వందే పశూనాం పతిం వందే సూర్యశశాంక వన్నినయనం వందే ముకుందప్రియం వందే భక్తజన ఆశ్రయం చ వరదం వందే భక్తజన ఆశ్రయం చ వరదం వందే శివం శంకరం. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మా భవతారిణి, గాడెస్ భవతారిణి, came to the rescue of Swami Vivekananda as Narendranath, and it was she who removed the tamasika prakriti or the attachment to the narrow domestic walls, and then there remained in Swami Vivekananda only Rajasika prakriti and Sayatvika prakriti. That rajas, that dynamic activity, that dynamism was to be given a righteous direction, was to be given a loving direction, was to be given a sattvic direction, and that task was taken up by Ma Kanyakumari at the southernmost tip of this country. When Swami Vivekananda as a wandering monk reached Kanyakumari, he was there on that solitary rock where Kanyakumari did tapas for 3 days. Vivekananda was there. 25th, 26th and 27th of December 1892. It was there Ma Kanyakumari, the virgin goddess, pining for the love of Lord Sadasiva, doing tapasya to wed Lord Sadasiva, gave him guidance, gave him direction. It was she who asked him finally to go to Chicago to take part in the Parliament of Religions, wherein his dynamic activity would be given a righteous blossoming guidance. Initially, when Swami Vivekananda was a wandering monk, he went to Porbandar in Gujarat. There, the Prime Minister of the local king, one Shankara Pandurang, gave Vivekananda the idea to take part in the Parliament of Religions. This Shankar Pandurang was also referred to as Kalyanji. And the same idea was strengthened by Alsinga Perumal in Chennai. It was all divine dispensation. It was the cosmic plan. It was Kanyakumari's guidance, plan of action. Maybe Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa visualized the entire proceedings earlier. Now, Swami Vivekananda, having shed the tamasic prakriti, is bubbling up with enthusiasm as a dynamic person of benevolence. He looked at the audience at the Parliament of Religions, and his mind, body, intellect, equipment was just occupied by Vishwamata, cosmic mother of cosmic love, full of affection for everybody, harmonious love, holistic love, integrated love, all embracing love, ever expanding love, infinite love, boundless love, pure love, pious love, divine love, the love of brotherhood. Swamiji looked at the gathering not as a superior person, but as a brother of everybody. as the child of the cosmic mother, looking at the remaining children of the cosmic mother. Therefore, his personality grew to infinite proportions of boundless love. There was a spontaneous overflow of a powerful love connecting everybody to everybody else. All were included in that cosmic love. And that day, he became the Messiah. He became the great prophet. He became the great Swami Vivekananda. He became the great Yogi Vivekananda. And this person, Swami Vivekananda, became the cyclonic monk, whirlwind-like moved in the entire western regions. From the American countries to the European countries he went, and he also visited India after his visits. He was once in Kashmir. In Kashmir, there is the temple of Kheer Bhavani. Kheer is milk. Milk-like goddess, pure goddess. And this goddess knows no partiality. She is impartially showering health on everybody, nutrition. She was giving food to everybody. Every person was her child. And every person was given the nectar of that pure milk. She fed everybody. Swami Vivekananda went to that temple, and the temple was in a dilapidated condition. Mlechas came long ago. Foreigners visited long ago. Sadists were present long ago. They could not see the beauty of the temple. Their eyes were pricked by the charm of the temple. They broke the monumental temple. They shattered the beautiful images on the temple. They broke the compound wall. Everything was shattered. Swami Vivekananda, with the dynamic brilliance, was unable to look at the dilapidated condition of the temple. And he was filled with something thoughtful to do, a beneficial act to the temple. He was in the precincts of the temple. He scanned the temple, felt sorry for the condition of the temple, and he looked at Mother Goddess, Ma Bhavatarini, Ma Kanyakumari, and now Ma Kheer Bhavani, Amma. How is it you have tolerated? How is it you are silent when your house is being broken? When the mlechas are doing damage to your home? How is it you did not react? How is it you did not punish? Had I been present at the time when the mlechas came, I would have protected you. I would have saved you. I would have come to your rescue. Ma, please take action. Please permit me to do it. And now, in his vision, Goddess Kheer Bhavani appeared. Pure, white, overflowing with the love of mother. She told Vivekananda, my dear son, your dynamic activity is not completely sattvic. Better you become fully sattvic, like a mother. If in the mother's womb, if the baby kicks, does the mother get angry? All are my children. I enjoy the sport in this universe. I am just a spectator looking at the children playing in the streets. Some children come to the seashore. They build wonderful castles with the sand. At the end of the sport, some children or same children appear and they kick what they have constructed. They demolish what they have constructed. I am a spectator. I enjoy the sport of construction. I enjoy the sport of destruction. I enjoy the sport of sunrise. I enjoy the sport of sunset. I enjoy the dynamic daylight. I enjoy the calm nights. I enjoy the silence in the prayer hall. I enjoy silence in the cremation ground. I enjoy silence everywhere. I enjoy commotion everywhere. I enjoy everything is but a drama. Everything is but a play. Everything is but a game. When you have that love, overflowing love, abundant love, you will never get angry with any children. Whatever the children do is just sport. You asked me what I was doing. I was a spectator. They were also my children. The children in the womb kick. The children in the chest may play. There are three types of service. They are Nayana, Smarana, and it is also by touch. I look at them with my eyes and protect them. I touch them with my hand and offer them fearlessness. I think of my children, Nayana Diksha, Sparsha Diksha, Smarana Diksha. When the children are in my womb, on my lap, I protect them with Sparsha Diksha. When they grow a little, when they play the game of construction and destruction, I look at them. Nayana Diksha, with an eyes I enjoy that sport as a spectator. And then Smarana Diksha, I constantly think of my children. My children may not think of me. Devotees may not think of the deity, but deity thinks of the children. The sons and daughters may not think of the mother, but a mother always thinks of the children. My dear young Naren, you remember, you were a baby on my lap. You were a baby in my womb. You are a baby in my heart. Now you are in front of me. Tell me, who protects whom? Do you protect me or do I protect you? You are a baby. I am the cosmic mother. With love, therefore, Kshir Bhavani. It was a revelation to Vivekananda. Earlier, under the guidance of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, when he visited the temple of Bhavatarini, his tamasic prakriti was shattered, removed, and he was freed from the clutches of the narrow-minded thinking. When he visited Kanyakumari, Virgin Goddess appeared, gave him guidance, directed his dynamism. It was a wonderful progress. When he was in Chicago, when he was facing the gathering, all the people appeared to be the children of Cosmic Mother Vishwamata. and his heart expanded to the utmost boundaries. His circumference of love was everywhere, and his dynamism was full with benevolent activity, service activity, affectionate activity. Now, in the temple of Kshir Bhavani, where there is only love, where there is only Sattvika Prakriti, where there is only calmness, where there is only tranquility, Shanti, 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 pure love, his dynamism also receded. Now, Swami Vivekananda's heart is full with prema. Earlier also it was prema, but the prema at the earliest time was a little impure with attachment. Later, his prema had a specific dynamic direction with rajasic direction, assertive direction. That also was a type of contamination, pollution. Now, both the pollutions are removed. First pollution is because of attachment. Second, because of the desire to do something. Even that, I am but an instrument. Sri Krishna Paramatma tells Arjun in the Bhagavad Gita, who are you to fight, man? I have already killed them. Earlier, Kalosmi lokakshat krut pravurtho lokan samahartumiha pravurtaha. I am the great all-consuming Kala. I have come on earth to reduce the burden of the earth. The earth is overburdened. I have come to lighten the weight. These are all killed. 18 cronies of people have to be removed so that the earth is less burdened. I give you the opportunity to be an instrument in the hands of the Almighty. Kshir Bhavani said, my dear Vivekananda, once you were tamasic, next you were rajasic with the noble direction given by Kanyakumari. Now you have to feel that you are but only an instrument in the hands. May you be sattvic, may you be full of peace, may you feel that you are only an instrument in the hands of the cosmic mother. May you prosper, may you be peaceful. Thus Swami Vivekananda has become a sattvic person, a calm person, tranquil person with overflowing love, humanism. Namah Sri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukhaswarupaya Swamine Tapaharine Swamine Tapaharine.